Welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to tell you how to create wallpaper using Photoshop. For and foremost, let me download some random photos from the Google. Let me get some wallpapers right from here. I am going to select some random photos right from here. Just go to photos and open it. Okay, then you can go right over here and click on save image. The image has to be JPEG. I'm saving it to desktop, and here is the photo. Sorry. Let me take this photo inside the Photoshop. Let me open the Photoshop first. Please discard the background noise which I'm getting. The dog is barking right now. I can't. Okay, let me click on create new, and here we have many options. If you want to create a wallpaper for mobile, I am going to teach to create a wallpaper for a mobile phone right over here. And these are the presets, and these are some cool wallpaper settings you get in the Photoshop as a default. Now I am going to teach you right over here. Let me select a device. Okay. Let me select an iPhone 5. This will automatically change the pixels and the pixel per inch color ratio, and you can click on create. Now this is the area where we are going to work for the wallpaper. Let me copy this image to right over on this, and this is what we get. If we drag this and use like this, we only get the center part as the wallpaper. But now I am going to tell you how to use the whole image as a wallpaper. Just drag and drop it, hold the shift, drag it up. Okay, then hold the shift, drag it down. Then just adjust this, click enter or return key on the Mac. This is how the wallpaper is set now, and okay, here is the wallpaper. And you can also do some effects and having some text right over here. Let me add some text. Here you go. Let me add, this is an iPhone 5. So this is added. Let me get it okay. Okay, then let me take it and adjust it like this to the center. Press enter. Okay, now the wallpaper is created. We have to save it. Command plus S on the Mac, Control plus S on the Windows. Let me save it as wallpaper 1. I'm saving it as JPEG. Let me save it. Here the quality matters sometimes, and I will recommend you to have it at 8, that is high. Then let's click OK. The photo is being saved. If we take longer time, you can see right over here the time duration and etc. right from here. And let's see the wallpaper created. And here is the wallpaper one. It was before like this and we have converted like this. This is the converted one and this was the previous one. You can have the difference right from here. This is in landscape and this is in portrait form. So guys, this is how to create the wallpaper of any photos. You can also use your own clicked photos as your wallpaper with the high quality and high definition. That's it for the tutorial right for today, and let's meet in the next video. If you won't like these videos, do hit subscribe, and if you like this video, do like the video. And if you have any doubt or something, do let me know in the comment section right down below, and do check out my channel. That's it for today, and let's meet in the next video.